Welcome back to Fungus Journey. This is the first video in a series of videos where I'm going to be releasing toenail fungus remedies each week. In this video, I'm going to be sharing ways with you to treat toenail fungus without any medication. These methods are low cost and very easy to use, so be sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get into it. So, what causes toenail fungus? Well, the cause can vary, but generally nail fungus is caused by different types of fungi. The most common type is called dermatophytes. These various fungi cause the discoloration of your toenail, causing it to turn yellow and whitish color. Sometimes more severe infections can cause the nail to become thickened and brittle. It can be embarrassing, and if left untreated, it can cause permanent damage to the nail. Also, it can lead to other infections that spread beyond your feet if you have underlying health conditions like diabetes, a suppressed immune system, etc. So, what do most people do when they have this condition? Most go to their doctor, and then they realize how costly this condition can be mentally, financially, and physically. Typically, their doctor writes them a prescription, the most common prescription being Sporanox and Lamisil. These medications can work for some people, but before you even get started, you need to take a blood test to make sure your liver and other organs are healthy enough to take these powerful medications. And they have many side effects and require additional follow-up blood work to make sure your liver can handle the medications. Not only that, most of the time these treatments provided from a doctor can cost anywhere from $250 to $500. Now, if you don't want to put your body or your wallet through all that, then pay attention to what I'm going to share with you now. Fortunately, there are ways to get healthy toes again without all the medications. All you need is a shot glass and 3% hydrogen peroxide. What you need to do is put a little hydrogen peroxide in the shot glass and soak your toe for 1 to 3 minutes. Wash your toe after and be sure to dry it off thoroughly. Repeat this step daily until you start seeing results. Most people report seeing results within just a week. If you don't have hydrogen peroxide, you could also try using bleach the same way. However, if you have open wounds, your skin is broken, you're diabetic, or if you have other underlying conditions, then you should not try these methods. You should always consult with your doctor before starting any new treatments or remedies we share. But don't worry, if you can't do those methods, there are other treatments which you can try. If you have toenail fungus on multiple toes, then I suggest performing a soak with warm water and hydrogen peroxide. Mix 1 pint of 3% hydrogen peroxide with a gallon of warm water into a foot basin and soak your feet for 25 minutes. Wash your feet and dry them off thoroughly. Repeat this once a day. For the next remedy, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 oils that work and have been reported to cure toenail fungus. Lavender oil, tea tree oil, and manuka oil are essential oils that have been derived from plants. They're natural and have very little side effects. Many have been scientifically studied and show that they destroy fungus. They have antimicrobial and antifungal properties which makes them great against nail fungus. Fun fact, manuka oil is an essential oil that is derived from the steam distillation of the leaves and small branches of the manuka tree. It is reported to be 33 times stronger than tea tree oil. To use these essential oils, you can place 5 drops of essential oil into a foot basin and soak your feet once a day for 15 minutes. And if you have nail fungus just on one nail, you could try this method instead. You could place 2 to 3 drops of the oil of your choice mixed with a teaspoon of a carrier oil. So choose from either the lavender oil, the tea tree oil, or the manuka oil, and mix them with a teaspoon of a carrier oil. For a carrier oil, we recommend coconut oil because it also has antifungal properties. And it also can moisturize the nail, which can counteract some of the drying effects these essential oils can have. Now take the mixture and place it directly onto the infected nail. You can use an eyedropper or a cotton swab to apply it. If you're ready to get rid of toenail fungus for good and haven't found relief from other home remedies, then your nail fungus may become resistant to what you've been trying. This happens when we're trying a remedy and we're not so consistent with it. Sometimes fungus can be a little more resilient, and sometimes you need to try something new. Luckily, there's a new product called Care Essentials that is a combination of essential oils and other antifungals that eliminate nail fungus for good. It's a combination of tea tree oil, lemongrass oil, lavender oil, and other great natural ingredients. And these natural ingredients are the same exact ones that have been studied to eliminate toenail fungus for good. And I'm in contact with this company, so click the link down in the description below. You'll be receiving a special discount when you order. I want to let you in on a little secret about toenail fungus. Yes, it's hard to get rid of. Yes, it takes time and patience. But if you're consistent and you stick with the treatment, you'll typically have a pretty high success rate. So keep that in mind if you purchase this product, or try any other remedies we recommend on this channel. Now, the last remedy I have for you is vinegar. Yes, that thing that you probably have in your pantry right now. Now, most people on the internet swear by apple cider vinegar, and they say that it's much more superior to plain white vinegar for curing nail fungus. Heck, even I thought this for a long time. However, with some additional research, I found the antifungal component in vinegar called acetic acid is actually in higher concentration in white vinegar. So for this reason, we recommend trying white vinegar over apple cider vinegar. But ultimately, it's up to you and your personal choice which one you would like to try. To use it, place warm water in a foot basin and place a few cups of white vinegar inside. Soak your feet for 20 minutes and repeat the soak once daily. I recommend washing your feet off and drying them thoroughly, otherwise the smell of vinegar will linger on your feet. Now, those are a few ways to treat toenail fungus without medication. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that one of these methods or products helps you get rid of your nail fungus for good. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll be sharing more methods in the next episode. You don't want to miss it.